Hey you, yeah, you with the smartphone in your hand. Let me hit you with a fact. AI is not the future, it's the present. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream confined to the realms of science fiction. It's not some far-off concept, it's already deeply interwoven, transforming your daily life in ways you might not even fully realize. That Netflix recommendation, perfectly tailored to your taste. That's AI at work, learning your preferences and suggesting what you might enjoy next. Your email spam filter diligently sifting through the noise to protect your inbox. That's AI too, identifying and blocking unwanted messages. Even your navigation app rerouting you around traffic jams, finding the fastest path to your destination, all powered by AI, analyzing real-time data to optimize your journey. This isn't just a tech upgrade or a minor improvement, it's a seismic shift, a fundamental change in how we live and work, happening faster than most people realize, and with far-reaching consequences. Like electricity and the internet before it, technologies that reshaped society. And here's what's wild. Teens today are using AI to launch businesses, create content, and build wealth. They're fast, fearless, and future-ready. But many people over 40, they're still catching up, still figuring out prompts, while Gen Z is already turning prompts into profits. So if you've ever wondered, how do I invest in AI, like where do I even begin? Then stop scrolling, because in this video, we're breaking it all down. Simple, fast, practical. And hey, if you want the best tips on building wealth with stocks, businesses, crypto, real estate, and more, subscribe to this channel. We're on this journey together. And watch this video till the very end for pro tips and tools. And don't hesitate to replay it, because the second time you'll catch even more powerful insights. Let's continue. AI is set to redefine industries, automate processes, and create entirely new ones, disrupting the status quo and opening up unprecedented opportunities. We're talking about technology that learns from data, adapts to changing circumstances, and even creates novel solutions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, impacting everything from healthcare with AI-powered diagnostics and personalized treatments, to entertainment, where AI is revolutionizing content creation and personalized experiences. The scale of this transformation is massive, touching every corner of the globe and impacting every aspect of our lives. And the opportunities for those who act early, who understand the potential of AI and invest wisely, are unprecedented. Ignoring AI now is like ignoring the internet in the 90s, dismissing it as a fad or something that doesn't concern you. You risk missing out on generational wealth, on the chance to build a secure financial future for yourself and your family. In 2025, we're at a critical inflection point, a moment in time where the trajectory of AI is about to accelerate dramatically. AI technologies are maturing rapidly, adoption is accelerating across industries, and the growth potential is enormous, promising significant returns for investors. This matters for your finances, because where there's disruption, where established industries are being challenged and new markets are emerging, there's opportunity for savvy investors. Investing in AI isn't just about tech stocks or Silicon Valley startups. It's about positioning yourself strategically for one of the biggest economic shifts of our time, a transformation that will impact every sector and every market. This guide will give you a clear, practical roadmap to start investing in AI, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover the essential steps you need to take to get started, the potential pitfalls to avoid, and how to make smart, informed decisions based on solid research and a clear understanding of the market. The AI wave is building fast, gaining momentum with each passing day. Don't get left behind, watching from the sidelines as others capitalize on this transformative technology. Let's dive in and see how you can ride this revolution, harnessing the power of AI to build your wealth and secure your financial future. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. AI in 2025 is more than a buzzword. It's not just a futuristic concept anymore. It's rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives and the global economy. It's the hottest investment opportunity on the planet. Investors around the world are taking notice, and the potential for growth is truly unprecedented. We're past the hype. The initial excitement has subsided, and now we're seeing real-world applications and tangible results. AI is generating real revenue and solving real problems across industries. From streamlining operations to creating entirely new products and services, the impact is undeniable. Analysts predict AI could add trillions to the global economy in the next decade, transforming businesses and creating new opportunities for growth and innovation, with annual growth rates topping 30%. This kind of exponential growth is rarely seen, making AI an exceptionally attractive investment. Why now? What's driving this explosive growth? Cheap computing power has made it possible to process vast amounts of data and run complex AI algorithms efficiently. Oceans of data provide the fuel for AI models to learn and improve, leading to more accurate and effective solutions. And rapid advances in AI models are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, unlocking new applications and driving further innovation. Growing advances in AI models has created a perfect storm for innovation. These converging factors have created an environment ripe for groundbreaking discoveries and transformative technologies. Investment in AI startups is surging, as venture capitalists and angel investors alike recognize the immense potential of this technology. And major corporations are pouring billions into R&D, seeking to integrate AI into their existing products and services and develop entirely new offerings. AI is revolutionizing everything from drug discovery, accelerating the development of new treatments and therapies, to finance, where AI-powered algorithms are transforming trading and risk management, and manufacturing, optimizing processes and improving efficiency through automation. It's not just about tech giants who have the resources to invest heavily in AI research and development. Smaller, agile companies are breaking through too, leveraging AI to disrupt established industries and create innovative solutions. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, thanks to open-source AI tools and cloud computing platforms, making the investment landscape dynamic and full of potential. This accessibility creates a wealth of opportunities for investors of all sizes. But with every gold rush comes risk, and the AI investment landscape is no exception. Knowing where to invest is crucial. Careful research and due diligence are essential to avoid costly mistakes. Understanding the fundamentals of AI investing, including the different types of AI technologies and their potential applications, is your best defense against hype and missteps. A solid understanding of the market will help you make informed decisions and avoid being swayed by unrealistic promises. The opportunity is massive, offering the potential for significant returns for those who are prepared, but only for those who act wisely. Strategic thinking and careful planning are key to success in this rapidly evolving market. Get ready to dig in, do your research, and prepare to navigate the complexities of the AI investment landscape and discover where the real value lies. The rewards are there for those who are willing to put in the effort. The AI gold rush is on, and the time to act is now. Are you ready to stake your claim? Are you prepared to seize the opportunities that this technological revolution presents? Ready to invest in AI? Here are 3 simple ways to get started. First, buy individual stocks in companies leading the AI charge. This is the simplest method. Let's look at companies building AI or using it to dominate. Here are a few examples. Nvidia. They make the graphics processing units or GPUs powering almost all AI. Alphabet, the parent company of Google. It owns DeepMind, which is the AI that beat the best Go player in the world. Microsoft, major investor in OpenAI. Yes, the same one behind ChatGPT. You can buy these AI stocks through apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, Zerodha in India, or Stake in Australia. Companies like Nvidia, Alphabet, Google, Microsoft, and emerging players such as C3.ai and UiPath are at the forefront of AI innovation, powering everything from generative AI models to enterprise automation and data analytics. These firms benefit from strong demand for AI chips, cloud services, and AI-powered applications, which is reflected in robust revenue growth and high market valuations. Buying stocks in companies that are leading the AI charge offers high potential, but it also comes with risks associated with emerging trends, such as stock price volatility and even regulatory and ethical risks. The rapid adoption of AI has outpaced regulatory frameworks, leading to potential legal and compliance risks. For example, companies may face fines, litigation, or operational restrictions as new rules are introduced. So do your homework on each company's AI strategy and financial health. Second, consider AI-focused ETFs or exchange-traded funds. An ETF is like a box of chocolates, where each chocolate represents a different company. And by buying the box, that is the ETF, you get a taste of many companies all at once instead of just one. Examples of AI-focused ETFs include companies like Global X Robotics and AI or Robo Global. These spread your investment across many companies, reducing risk. Third, way to start investing in AI for the adventurous is to try startup crowdfunding platforms like Seedrs or Crowdcube to back early-stage AI companies. Startups are risky, but the rewards can be huge if you pick a winner. Diversify your approach. Mix stocks, ETFs, and maybe a dash of startups for balance. Remember, research is key, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With these options, anyone can start building an AI-powered portfolio. Don't just look at pure AI companies. Some of the best opportunities are in established businesses using AI to dominate their industries. Amazon, for example, uses AI for everything from product recommendations to warehouse logistics, driving its market leadership. John Deere is revolutionizing farming with AI-powered machinery that boosts yields and efficiency. These companies aren't just riding the AI wave, they're steering it. Look for businesses with strong fundamentals and a clear AI integration strategy. Whether it's retail, finance, or healthcare, AI adopters can offer growth with stability. Investing in these leaders means tapping into AI's power without the volatility of pure tech plays. Sometimes the smartest move is backing those who use AI best. The excitement surrounding artificial intelligence is palpable, but it can also lead to costly mistakes if you're not careful. Here's how to navigate the AI investment landscape and avoid those common pitfalls. Here are 3 rookie mistakes to avoid. Number 1, chasing meme coins and AI scams. Just because it says AI doesn't mean it is AI. Always check the company's real product, real revenue, real usage. Number 2, going all in on one stock that's gambling, not investing. Diversify, always. Number 3, ignoring valuation. Even great companies can be overpriced. A good rule: don't buy the hype, buy the dip. Repeat this with me: research first, buy later, research first, buy later. Let's understand this further. Firstly, don't chase hype. Don't buy a stock simply because everyone else is jumping on the bandwagon. By the time it's splashed across the news, the smart money has likely already made its move. Always conduct your own thorough research. Don't make investment decisions based solely on sensational headlines or unverified hearsay. Dig deeper. Avoid putting all your eggs, or rather all your money, into one single AI stock. Diversify your investments across a range of companies and different sectors to effectively manage your overall risk. Always check the company's underlying fundamentals. Examine their revenue streams, profit margins, levels of debt, and the quality of their leadership team. These factors matter just as much as the cutting-edge technology they're developing. Be extremely wary of scams that promise guaranteed returns with little to no risk. And steer clear of secret AI trading bots that claim to generate instant profits. Remember, if an investment opportunity sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Always stick to reputable and well-established investment platforms, and maintain a healthy dose of skepticism when it comes to unsolicited investment offers. Remember, real AI investing is about fostering long-term growth and building wealth over time, not about chasing overnight riches or get-rich-quick schemes. Protect your hard-earned capital by staying vigilant and informed, and by questioning everything that comes your way. Diversification across your portfolio and diligent due diligence are your best friends in the world of AI investing. Don't let the fear of missing out, or FOMO, drive your investment decisions. Instead, let thorough research, careful analysis, and a well-defined strategy lead the way. Remember, smart investing in AI, like a chess game or a marathon, means playing the long game. Great investing starts with great research. Here are the tools you need. Yahoo Finance gives you quick access to stock prices, charts, and financials. Seeking Alpha is a tool which offers in-depth analysis and diverse opinions from real investors. You'll find opinion pieces, earnings breakdowns, and bull versus bear debates. It's like having a group of analysts at your fingertips. Crunchbase is your go-to tool for tracking AI startups and their funding. Ever wonder which AI startups just raised millions? Crunchbase shows you who's funding whom. It's good for tracking startup trends, new players, and big investors in the AI space. ARK Invest reports, that's ARK, publishes deep research on AI trends and market potential. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest publishes futuristic, research-driven reports. These explain how technologies like AI are expected to evolve and which companies are set to benefit. It's a good tool for spotting early opportunities. For ETFs, Morningstar provides detailed analysis and performance data. Morningstar is like a ratings agency for investments. It provides risk ratings, ETF evaluations, and fundamental analysis. Perfect for evaluating how solid your AI ETF or stock pick really is. Learn these tools, bookmark them, use them weekly, because an informed investor is a powerful investor. Use these resources to make informed, confident investment decisions, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Let's see how real people have profited from AI investing. Sarah, a teacher, started small with AI ETFs and a few tech stocks. Her portfolio's now a key part of her retirement plan. David, a software developer, bet early on chip makers like Nvidia and AMD, paying off his mortgage with the gains. Maria, a retired accountant, chose stable blue-chip companies adopting AI, enjoying steady, low-risk growth. Even celebrities like Ashton Kutcher have invested in AI startups, recognizing the trend's potential. The common thread? Research, patience, and a long-term view. There's no single path, just smart strategies tailored to your goals. AI investing isn't just for techies or the ultra-wealthy. Anyone can benefit by starting early and staying informed. Ready to level up? Here are 3 pro tips for AI investing. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a set amount regularly to smooth out market ups and downs. Look for dividend-paying tech giants like Microsoft or Apple for growth, plus steady income. Invest in yourself. Learn to use AI tools or build your own projects to deepen your understanding. The more you know, the smarter your investments. The AI revolution is here, and you don't need a fortune or a PhD to get started. Research, diversify, and think long-term. Don't let fear or complexity hold you back. Start your AI investment journey today. Your future self will thank you. The time is now. Seize the AI opportunity. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and tell us what you want to hear next. We are listening. See you in the next one.